If you're ever out geocaching and you come across the bridge, look under the bridge to see if the cache is there. Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? This wiki up or wigwam behind me seems like a great place to start another adventure video. Let's go find some caches. Here we go. Check this out, y'all. It's a pill bottle that looks like a pine cone. Pretty cool. Oh, what is this? This is like a glass vase of some sort. It's the geocache. Let's check it out. Here's something. Yo, it's a purple bicycle. When in doubt, tweezer it out. That is pretty neat. If you're ever out geocaching and you come across the bridge, look under the bridge to see if the cache is there. Let me show you how it's done. I'm right here by this tree, and my buddy's coming up behind me. We're gonna try and tackle this beast together. Check it out. Literally can't get it open. What am I supposed to do?
Then it's supposed to twist, isn't it?
You're not the one in the tree again.
I know. I'm just saying. Booyah.
Oh, don't let go. Oh, don't let go. I'm just sitting down, YouTube. Don't mind me. I'm in a tree. Hashtag seek adventure always. Here we go. Woo! Spotter's ready.
Solid ground.
Yes! 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 Ow. Oh, that's spooky. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Alright guys, this hut right here behind me seems like a great place to wrap up another adventure video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Social media links are in the description. And I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.